High blood pressure can cause heart attacks and strokes, but there are no signs that you have it. That's why it's so important to get it checked at least every 5 years. In Stockport, your local NHS has put health kiosks around the borough, so you can check your blood pressure yourself free of charge. The Wellpoint machines are easy to use, you don't need an appointment, and should only take about 5 minutes of your time. You simply step on the machine, tap in your answers to a few questions that will be asked on the screen in front of you, and away you go. The machine will check your blood pressure, as well as measuring your heart rate, weight, and body fat percentage. After you're done, you can either print your results off to take away with you, or send them to your mobile phone. But most importantly, they'll also go straight to your GP practice. So even if you're not sure what the results mean, they'll check that everything's okay. The kiosks are based in Bridge Hall Community Centre, Offerton Community Centre, First House in Brinnington, Central Library, Stockport Council's Fred Perry House, Stepping Hill Hospital just outside the canteen, and Stockport Homes head office. So if you're wondering if your blood pressure is high, don't question it, just check it.